Hey everybody, Scott Burnett here. Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video. It is 5:05 on Tuesday afternoon, off from work. Hats on backwards, time for a video. So, today we're going to look at the iPhone. I have the iPhone XR, 10R, whatever you want to call it. It can be called many things. Aggravating. We're going to look at how to tell if you have an update ready and to go ahead and update it. So this week, this is August 23rd, 2022, and most iPhones are on iOS 15.5 dot something. That's the majority of them. There's a high percentage, 80-90% are. They're telling you there's a really bad security threat, and I'll put a link to the article on that. When it comes to updating your iPhone, iPad, Mac, Windows computer, I always tell people don't jump on that first update. Make sure it doesn't brick your device. Make a paperweight out of it. So right here, let's switch over to the other screen where I've got my phone. And we'll look at it right here. I would suggest go ahead and getting the update on it. Everybody says it's good and it fixes some security threats. So let's switch over to the phone. We're going to go to our settings. You can already see I got a number 1 right there. Got a software update available. Generally, you can go to General and Software Update. And as you can see, there's iOS 15.6.1. This update provides important security updates and recommended for all users. So all you have to do is hit download and install. I would suggest doing it on Wi-Fi. Okay, so now it says update requested. It's got 12 seconds remaining. 16, 17, boy, it's bouncing around all over the place. It's got a Microsoft clock going. Hopefully y'all like this view. I'm running OBS on my Mac, and I've got QuickTime running to record my phone screen. And if y'all want to see a video on how to set up OBS, I put one out yesterday. Let's see what it does here. I'll put a link to yesterday's video. With this camera angle, I can't. It's probably gonna be right there. So, okay, preparing update. Okay, while we're waiting on this, I pulled up the link to this update, and this is for iOS 15.6.1 and iPadOS 15.6.1. It tells you an application may be able to execute arbitrary code with kernel privileges. Apple is aware of a report this issue may have been actively exploited, and a WebKit. Maliciously crafted web content may lead to arbitrary code execution, which means somebody can get your stuff. So, alright, so I will put a link to that in the description where it explains it. It doesn't explain it all that well, but just take it to the effect that somebody can get your stuff. So, and we don't want that. Alright, so now you see it took 15-16 minutes, and I'm on a fast connection, so I don't know. So it says install now, so we'll hit install now. Verify the update. The Apple servers may be backed up a little bit too, so it's everybody getting updates and what's stuff. But hopefully it'll restart and come right back up. This is always a good time to clean your phone. You know, take some good cleaner like iClear or something on a microfiber towel. All right. It is restarting. Okay, we're back. That took all of, 27, 28 minutes? Boy, that's a big update. So we'll go over here to settings. Go down to general. Go to about. See up here we got software version 15.6.1. The build on it is 19G82. So there it updated. I recommend everybody, if you do a lot of online shopping, which I found out, the mobile device is the computing device for the majority right now. So doing shopping and anything with credit cards and cash cards and stuff, I would probably go ahead and do it. Somebody could get you stuff. So anyway, 30 minutes. Go ahead and allow yourself 35 minutes. With the new iPhone 12s and 13s, it might be faster. My phone's getting a little long in the tooth. But got any questions, leave them down there in the comment section. I will do my best to answer them. And if I can, I'll find somebody that can. Hope you enjoy this video. Give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you like this content. Share them out. Help me out there. I'm trying to produce as much good content for you and helping people out. That's what I want to do. So anyway, we're going to end it there. Hope everybody's having a great day and a great afternoon. And until the next video, thanks for watching.